Okay, I'm back again. What we are going to do in this video is just to collect the images, the screenshot we are going to use for the next video, which is to use Photoshop design and the CorelDraw design. So we are now going to collect the images screenshot that we are going to use. Remember, the reason why I'm making this video is because I don't want to make this video to be too long. I don't want to make it to be too long so that the new people will not be confusing. Remember, all my videos are step by step. Okay, so what we are going to do in this one now, we have to first grab the entire screen. Click the notification area, then you click on the screen snip. Full screen, capture the whole entire full screen. Now you click on the notification area to get the images. The reason why I get this image from here is because I'm doing video recording. So you click on the image, then click save as. Then save the screenshot. You can set, I'm saving it at the music. You can save it anywhere you like, anywhere you can see it. Then minimize. Then the next thing we're going to do is right click on the screen, personalize. Then you can see this blue color is the default color you use before you change it to another color. So we're going to capture this white color, white background color. So you use snip and sketch. You click new, then drag the area that you want to capture. Then release the mouse button. Then it has been captured. So you save it. As well as a screenshot, you save it for the second one. Then minimize. So we are going to capture the file explorer, the white background. Use the snip and sketch to capture the area. Now the area has been captured, so we're going to save it as well. So we have now 3 screenshots already saved on the white background. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to get the background, black background. We are going to get black background. Before we get the black background, so we need to change the color to dark. Here there are many colors you can choose, but I already choose the pink because I like the pink. You can test the purple color. You see how the purple color will change in other things. You can see it has been changed. But let me go back to rose bright, the one I like. It has been changed. So we are going to capture, use snip and sketch, new, then drag the area you want to use. It has been captured, now saved. This is a 4th background screenshot we are saving, minimize. We are going to also screenshot the file explorer because it's in a dark color. Snip and sketch, new, then drag the area. It has been captured, then save. So close. So what you're going to do now is you click the Photoshop. I already have a Photoshop on my system. So you click the Photoshop. Now the Photoshop is opening. Adobe Photoshop is opening. So when this Adobe Photoshop open, you must understand that we have just collected all the screenshot images. And now the Photoshop has been opened. Watch the next video to learn how to make the design. Remember, all my tutorials are step by step.